We're live. Feeling good. Ready to make money. How is everybody doing, guys? Oh boy. It's gonna be a good week, I hope. Whatever happens, you and I are going to the moon. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank, everybody. Woof! Welcome back, everybody. Sunday Night Live with Oscar Ramos. The vibes are here. 67,000 Bitcoin. 4028 Shiba Inu. Bullish momentum happening left and right. Who is buying Shiba Inu? Who is buying crypto? I'm getting ready to get some positions in. You know, I got a lot of cash on me. And I've been waiting on the sideline. It's been hard, you know. It's been hard to just not buy anything. It's been hard. Right now we have Dog with Head, Render, Solana, and other different ones doing phenomenal. Some losers right now that we are seeing. Asia is waking up to sell, as you can probably tell right now on the screen. It's a good Sunday, guys. How are we feeling right now? Feel like I'm waiting just for the time to go all in. I'm gonna go all in some positions. It's been so long that I've been waiting to do this, guys. Cheers. It's been a lot of volatility, which we like. The volatility is always something that you and I are looking for. Who's buying? What are you doing with your Shiba Inu? What are you doing with your Bitcoin? What are you doing with all of that? Shiba Inu holding. Sold your ship for calm. Dead market bear. Market begun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right now, guys, what I'm seeing, it's just opportunities. A lot of different opportunities where yours truly, and I'm gonna take some of you with me. We're gonna start some decent positions in my Bollinger Bands and using my Lux Algo indicator. The indicator I'm using on the screen is gonna help me get the best position possible to trade about 5 to 7 to 10%, and that's gonna be just thousands of dollars going onto my pocket on a day-to-day basis, which I like. Welcome to all my Cronos holders, the call holders, everybody. How are we feeling? This is a time where we analyze what's happening in the space. This is a time that we see what's popping, what's going on. And I've been updating my community, and we're watching, we're seeing really what's going on. And so far, guys, people are making money and people are really happy. People are, you know, adding way more positions to what they can. Let's see the bubbles on the screen. Let's see the bubbles. This is the day. Look at this. Meme coins, Render, Shiba Inu. Can they hold for tomorrow? I want to start a position before that happens, you know? I want to start a position before that happens. There it is. For now, and by the end of the live, I wouldn't be surprised if we have some sell-offs. Who is buying? I am soon. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, everybody. Let's get everybody in the house. Welcome. No matter if we are going down, no matter if we're going up, we come live all the time, sharing the good news, telling everybody the truth, and sharing my expectations, my journeys, my strategies, whether you like them or not. You don't have to follow what I do, right? Just telling you what's working for me, and the money I'm making in crypto. That's it. You don't have to do what I do, but if you decide to, make sure you never watch a video because updates come like this. Randy in the house. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. Welcome. What price should I buy? Well, I'm looking at my Lux Algo indicator. First link down below. Get it. If you want to follow me with that indicator on your trading view, obviously, 67,200. We're coming down. We're putting some... Guys, you know how difficult it is not to buy and hold so much money because I'm following the pattern right now and I need to wait to get in. In the past, I wouldn't have exercised so much patience, but I have to do it now. You have to put in that patience, guys, to finally get it. Jose, it's a playlist on YouTube, buddy. Be holding no matter what. Let's go. Welcome, Garage. Happy to see you. Welcome, welcome. Got the shades. Yeah, I mean, $65,000 to $64,000 is what I'm looking right now. At $65,000 or $64,000 is what when I'm gonna be coming in, either on Bitcoin or on Shiba Inu at 4025. It could be that we could drop either in this live or in you know, a couple more ahead, a couple more days ahead. Bought 500 yesterday at 0.23. Being happy all day. Very good. We might come back to 0.23, FYI. We might come back to 0.23. That's one of the reasons I've been on my toes to get cash on hand to trade. Like, I'm very happy Shiba Inu went all the way to 0.30. That's really good. Shiba Inu went all the way up to 0.30. That's phenomenal. Problem is, as I'm also looking at the macro, it doesn't look like we have gone past, you know, the correction yet, guys. It doesn't look, but I don't want to get ahead of myself, right? I just want to see it. Whatever, I'm ready, man. We're ready for the opportunities, guys. Crypto Live news is here. Welcome, Isaac. With another 20 million Shiba Inu of 2490. We might go back to 2490. We might, you know, be putting in those prices. Just have to wait for tomorrow, you know. I think late today will be another opportunity. In the 15-minute chart, which I think a lot of people are using right now, we have already come from our way down to our way up. There's a chance we go back to the 65,000 Bitcoin. Let me go to the 4 hours on both, see how we're looking. I give you a clear idea of what's going on. In the 4-hour chart right now, we came all the way to the bottom for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu looks decent, Bitcoin as well. But if you can see how we touched the $73,000 here, and we touched the $64,000 here. So in the 4 hours, we already touched both sides. We already touched both sides. So that's bullish. This was our first Shiba Inu breakdown right here. After a long symmetrical wedge. Our first breakdown here. What's going on, Lim? It's a lot of things, you know, whales are doing when it comes to Shib, buying, selling. The burn, of course, of Shiba Inu. Satoshi releasing hints for Shibarium, which always happens. Right now, I'm following the patterns and I'm ready. Sunday Night Live, everybody. So this is how we're looking so far. And Fear and Greed Index at 77 right now. Extreme greed. That was 90 and high 80s. That was 90 and high 80s. What that means is the numbers are coming down for now. Francisco in the house. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. Let's go. A lot of people are holding right here. A lot of people are holding right here. Like me. Holding on the fence. Look, Solana was 205. Now it came down a little bit. Get to the 1 hour right now. It's honestly anyone's game right now. It's just whatever the crypto space wants to do with the price of Bitcoin. It's what's gonna decide. Oh, there it is. Just got my 1 hour indicator sell. Just got my 1 hour indicator sell. Right, I don't know if you saw it. Just popped. It just popped. It just popped right here. And it's here too. There it is, you see? So it popped here at $64,000. It just popped here too. That might be something. That sell indicator is telling you cash out because we might have another bottom. It just popped right here. I'm gonna refresh this and see what's going on. I'm in the 15 minutes and I got it. I'm in the 1 hour and I got it. It's right there. It's right there. You're clearly seeing that sell indicator in the 1 hour. I'm seeing also the sell indicator in 1 hour. So what you will do right there is just it's already a late confirmation basically from what you could have an idea of what's going on. We could be going this way. Queen, happy to see you, Queen. Let's go. Appreciate that a lot, buddy. Thank you. Keep buy level 2300s, 2500s tonight while most of us are sleeping. Kenneth, you're so wise. Every time we go to sleep here in the US, something big happens just like that. Honestly, just like that. You see? You see? Oh man, it pays off to wait sometimes. Let the price come to you. Let the price come to you. Let the price come to you. Don't chase the pump. Let it come to you. Oh, yes. How hard is it just to wait on the sideline? Just to wait with a lot of money and see a lot of people buying. But you know. I've been in this space for 2+3 years. Like, I feel like it's time for me to do spot trading. So I'm doing spot trading. I'm doing spot trading. And I'm doing it with $17,000, guys. I need to wait. I cannot afford buy at a wrong level. So this is the biggest chance for me to finally see if I'm good enough. Like, I've been in this space for a while. I gotta prove to myself that I can do this, which it shouldn't be that difficult, but it requires expertise and a little bit of knowledge. And a lot of people are in crypto because you want to make a lot of money quick or so, right? Well, I want to know how to make a lot of money with good projects, right? And Shiba Inu is going to be one of those because Bitcoin, you can make 5%, where in Shiba Inu, you can make 20%. And I'm looking for those trades, but I have to come in a good position. I cannot rush the process. I cannot rush the process, guys. So I'm really excited. Ernest, happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. Now, let me make sure everybody understands. This is not going to work for some of you guys. This is not investing. This is trading, right? Investing is buying Shiba Inu under 3403 and holding, which that's something that I'm doing too. I'm doing that. But I'm not doing that in this portfolio. All right? There are two different things that are happening here. And I mean, people will get confused because they just don't hear the whole message, and that's fine. It is not my job to teach, to remind people what I'm doing every single time, right? But for those who are listening, investing is one thing, trading is another thing. And you see, 67,172. I just know, bro. I know. It's just so evident, guys. So evident. Because I'm not the only one. There's whales selling right now. There's whales trading right now. Come. 66. Come. Do it. There you do it. Now. Do it. Let's go. It's happening, bro. I just joined. Love your content. Keep it up. Cooking every time. My man. Appreciate it, bro. 66. Come on. Do it. We know it's going to happen. Oscar, your thoughts on Sui? I have no idea about Sui, Dennis. My bad. I mean, just there's so many people. I'm only down $400 from this dip. Nothing will do. Here's from Texas. Let's go, Texas. My brothers and sisters from Texas. Thank you guys for watching, coming into the space. 66. Come on, do it. Come on. Now. There it is. I knew it. There it is. Didn't buy. Not yet. Come down. Knew it. I knew it. If you're liking the content, everybody, we're just starting. Don't forget to smash the like button. Everybody, consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome aboard. There it is. Oh, it feels good to be right. Not because I want to brag, right to myself. Because I doubt myself, guys. I'm literally having battles with myself because of the decisions I make. Okay, so Nada is clearly selling. What is my next step? Okay, my next step is I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my catalyst. So the altcoins that I want to buy, they come down. So what's happening here? Shiba Inu is not dropping. Why? Let's refresh. Wait, okay. Go to Shiba Inu. There it is. 15 minutes. Shiba Inu is holding really steady and nice, bro. Shiba Inu is golden right now, but it's coming. You see? Bitcoin is 2%, Shiba Inu is 4%. Shiba Inu should be much lower right now. Should be in the 2.7 already. It's for some reason people don't want to sell. They don't want a cheap Shiba Inu right now. People want a higher position, which I understand. I'm waiting for, to the question, I'm waiting for 4024, 4025. Because that is my Lux algo. Guys, get Lux algo if you can't. Free for 30 days. Don't pay if you don't want the first 30 days. Use it for free. Cancel if you don't want to use it. But I think it's a really good investment. First link down below right now, guys. Like, instead of making or holding right now, what I'm trying to do with my money is allocate strong all-time high positions. Like, what do I mean? All in positions, not all-time high positions. All in positions where I can make 5%, 7% consistently. Because that's going to make me some delicious money. Because I use Big X, I don't pay too much in fees. So I can get a lot of money back. But I just got to wait for those good price levels, And that's the problem, because waiting For a lot of us, it's not in our DNA. Waiting, it's just not in our DNA, and I get it. But I'm learning to be a much better investor and trader in this case. Holding a 50 million from Texas, I believe that will go higher than all-time high eventually. Yes, bro, of course. 66 to 50. Let's see. This is 6.5. This is 6.5 right now, Bitcoin, in my 15-minute. I'm trading the 15 minutes because I've noticed that this is a really good one to trade. Really, really good one to trade. You can trade the 1 hour if you want, but the 1 hour, it doesn't really work right now for what I wanted. I want clear upper level rejection, lower level reversal. Upper level rejection, lower level reversal. That's what I'm looking at. 15-minute, it's, I think, the place to be right now. That's what I'm doing. And I think I'm gonna do really good. Let's see which ones are the most. Bonk. Look at this. Bonk was super overbought right here in the 15-minute chart. You see? Sell-offs. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu went super high. And that is good because when you want to sell at the red zone, right? That's where you want to cash out. So I'm just waiting for Shiba Inu to come here. That's what I'm doing, basically. Once Shiba Inu is here, you will see me really happy because you're gonna see an all-time, basically all-in. And then just wait for the totally opposite to happen, and that's it. That's literally how the game works here. It's not really rocket science. Happy to see you all, guys. Super happy that we have great people here watching and learning or asking questions and comments. I'm just giving you my best. Right now we have a 2.56 with a less than 5% retracements on many, as it's late Sunday. As it's late Sunday right now. And we're at a great time because we still are early in the live, so anything can happen right now. Anything can happen right now. A lot of people are holding their Shiba Inu. 10% are selling, 28% buying. Got it. John 316, welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. I like how some traders say, watch my education. However, no one goes live and trade live and show how your education made your money. Did that? Oh, wait. I was reading that. But Carlos does. He's the best by far. I think that's a good comment. Can I bring it back? Somebody already removed it. Memes. I cannot bring it back. Anyway, that was a good comment. I mean, I get the point. Anyway. Why not, Crow Fam? Talk to the moon. What's going on, De La Crypto? Happy to see you. I'm of course always watching Pro. I just made a video about Cronos, keeping you updated with the latest news. But this, what I'm seeing right now on the screen, guys, it just makes me feel so good. Because just have to wait a little bit. Just have to wait a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Appreciate the first super chat, bro. Thank you, De La Crypto. Your Shiba Inu is 10 years old. We've been accumulating and holding 3 years now. That is investing, and that is fabulous because you're just not worried, right? You're just buying and buying and buying and buying. Whenever you can, you just keep buying, right? And that's phenomenal. If you do have that stream of income because you're not cashing out anything, then you don't really have liquid money. You just have holdings. But because I want to increase my liquid money, I need to trade. And I wanted to trade. Like, I've been wanting for so long. Like, if you watch my old all-in video that I made for you earlier today, I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, but I just didn't have that capital available. And starting with $1,000 is fine. It's just that 10% is $100, right? And you just have to do more trades and everything. But the more money you start with, knowing and using good indicators, the better. And you just can bring the home runs much faster, bro. Is it true that Shiba Inu reached $1? No, that's not happening, brother. Somebody lied to you. Forget the moon boys. Shib is going to blast through the Uranus. Blue Bat. Happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. So definitely having Shiba Inu investing positions is the go-to. Actually, I have an idea. Welcome to the 600 people watching. Happy to see you all. Welcome, welcome. What's your main strategy? For trading futures. What else would be? Futures. Let's do that. Ted, what's going on, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome. How good is the indicator? Gives you buy and sell indicators. That's just one indicator. There's many of them. Many of them. Just let me show you right here. I have all of this that I can use, and I'm gonna get more. I'm talking to Luxalgo this coming week. I'm using this one that is being used or liked by thousands of people. I'm tracking all of them. Wayne, the indicator goes to all of them, stocks, crypto related. So I'm tracking right now for trading purposes Jasmine, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Floki. That's kind of what I'm looking, because there's a bunch of volatility right now in meme coins that I can do phenomenal. Look at this. Pepe was here as well, so Pepe is just doing really good for trading purposes. Look at this. Once you see this happening, and this happened today, that's 20%, dude. That's 20%. So, or 17%. Like you don't have to wait until we are here, right? You just have, as long as you touch it, that's enough. Because look at where it is right now. It's like you sell here and then you just have to wait. You just have to just be patient, because you will want to buy once again thinking that we're going higher, but you just have to remain calm and patient till the price comes back at you. That's really the magic of this. If I do that, I should be good. Jasmine. Jasmine's another one that did really, really good right now. I'm gonna let Jasmine come to me. Now, in this case, Bitcoin already touched 66,800. It didn't touch. It did not touch here. And I'm already seeing rejections, a lot of push forward, which is good for bulls. Might be like they didn't want it to go so down to the 64. And this one is already running, you see? Shiba Inu didn't even fall down to the 27. So just a game of patience, guys. That's what it is. A lot of people investing, which I'm of course an investor. Less taxes, of course. Hmm. Been trading, but investing would have made me way much more. Oscar, thanks for getting me into CAW. I'm up like $9,000 today on that play. Whoa. $9,000 on that play. Phenomenal growth, bro. That's really, really good. Really, really good. There are gonna be days that I'm gonna be live and I'm gonna start a position, and we'll just open a position and close a position in one live. There are gonna be some days that's gonna happen. I just have to be patient, and you know, when the day comes, I will finally see all the days of work worth it. Oscar, shall we dump? No. I won't, because we're not here. Like for trading purposes, no, we should be here. We're not even close. The indicator knows way better than I do when it comes to the volume and frequency and the push. I'm not letting the indicator prove me wrong. I'm following what the indicator tells me and just wait it out. Don't feel guilty taking profits as holder. Never sell if you're in a negative, of course. Yeah, I mean, if you're already losing, makes no point to sell. Profits over anything, 100%. With render Shiba Inu, we're still good, guys. So far, we're still good. Good positions overall. Good long positions overall. Might be tomorrow. It might be tomorrow, guys. It might be later today. As long as I need to wait, we're gonna go to that level for sure. What's my Jasmine position? It's just under $200. That's it. So I didn't do bad in my Jasmine position. I have, you know, 379,000 Jasmine. Not bad at all. Look at all my Jasmine purchases. Look at all my Jasmine purchases. Can't believe it. So many of them are way up there. Crazy. Bitcoin. It's just phenomenal, you know, guys, the level that we have, honestly. Just how can we be so high days away for halving? That really blows my mind, honestly. JB in the house, happy to see you, brother. Welcome. The game of patience, 100%. Yes, because the better position you come in, the more money you make. That's what it is. That's what it's all about, bro. Patience, bro. And I'm happy to be sharing my story with all of you 600 guys. I know Shiba Inu is not mega pumping. If it was, then we'll have an amazing story here to tell. Paul, I'm waiting for... You're right, 4025 or so. The thing is that you cannot rush candlesticks. You just have to let them come to you. You rush them, you're gonna start losing. I think the worst feeling for this all-in strategy is being in the negative. Like buying prior. That's nothing I really want to put my hands on. What is the Shiba Inu level you're looking for? Right here, brother. Now, you might say, Oscar, well, why are you not waiting for a lower price, right? Because I'm trying to go with the wave and sell at a 5, 7, 10%. That's the goal. Repeat that, and you should be good to go. I should be good to go, right? That's the goal. Welcome, Carlos. Happy to see you, buddy. Yes, Canadian dude here watching from Vietnam. What up? When those juicy pumps woke up Shib, had Oscar's signature song playing for 3 hours on loop. Thank you, Carlos. Happy to see you here. You know, the fam is here watching. That's what I love. What do you call those indicators below and above the candle? This one's? Oh, this one, the green and the... Well, this one's, if you use Bollinger Bands, that will be the moving average. So it could be exponential moving average. This looks kind of works like an exponential moving average. So, I mean, the indicator, which is called signals and overlays. When I was talking with Loxalgo, I was like, I want something that tells me when to buy, when to sell. I want something that gives me some ranges, right? Like an RSI. And I want something that also tracks the average per day. Which means right now, this is the line, right? We are under the average right here. That's good. But we're still not here. So you could buy here, we could go here. Or you could also buy here and you can sell here. So it really depends, where are you looking to entry? Shiba Inu is holding phenomenal. Shiba Inu is holding phenomenal right now. Much better than Bitcoin right now. But you can tell how they're really close to the simple moving average, the two of them. If I bring Cronos, look at how Cronos it is. Cronos is not doing so good. Cronos usually is not that good to hold volatility. Cronos usually sells off pretty nice, and that's what it did. That's what it did right now. So you see how away is from the average. Shiba Inu is extremely close to. Just more ranges, more levels. It's pretty cool. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate it. Just got the indicator. I think that could be very helpful. Awesome, buddy. Enjoy, and you'll have a lot of support. It's the best indicator on TradingView. So many people use it. Over 50,000 traders. There's a lot of there if you watch other YouTubers. This one is obviously from the partner, so I think you won't be disappointed. Just start trading. I mean, it's really meant for traders. It's really meant for people who are buying and selling, and that's what I wanted to do. It's like, I have an amazing indicator. I better use it. Thank you, Crude. Appreciate that for the super chat. Hello, everybody. You have seen OP Cat. Yes, Satoshi Nakamoto Cat meme coin. OP Cat. All right. Thanks for putting it for us to see. You're down $100 on Shiba Inu. Should I buy more? If you want, not yet for me. Not yet for me. What is your opinion about XRP and Shiba Inu and Ethereum? The three are awesome. Do we have better options than those three? There's always options that are trying to dethrone XRP, like JB with Walk. There's Shiba Inu, you have Solana meme coins, and for Ethereum, you have Solana. Like, there's always options that are trying to be much better than signature plays. Always. Carlos, happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. Let's go. Happy to see you new subscribers coming into the space, finding us, finding the community. That really means a lot. A lot of people like investing with over 300 votes. That's what I've been doing for years. That's what I have, investing with Cronos, with so many different positions, Cardano and more. Algorand, token, Shiba Inu. Some positions, right, you don't want to touch. You just want to hold and buy and hold forever, or close to forever, right? It's just that with so much volatility, especially days away from halving, I feel like I could make even more if I have the right tools. Now that I have locks, I'm like, I just better get it, because I want #1 provider trading indicator worldwide, trusted by over 50,000 traders, AI solutions, trusted by all these people, which great reviews. So I want to give it a try, and I'm taking it seriously because I'm putting a lot of money. So it can work. I'm gonna make it work. Let's go to the rainbow chart. Are we in the... Oh, there you go. We're back in accumulate. We're back in accumulate. Oh, no. That was over there. Hold. Still cheap. Look at this, guys. We're right here, bro. Look at how close we are. Look at how close we are from Bitcoin halving, guys. It's gonna happen soon. And you and I are going there. Whether it's in the yellow or in the light green, I think it's gonna be too good to be true. We are on the is this a bubble? There's no way Bitcoin can be in is this a bubble by halving day. That will be so phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal. If we are in the is this a bubble, that is going to be Bitcoin at $89,000, guys. Minimum. Who thinks we're gonna be $80,000+ by Bitcoin halving? Who is feeling like that? JB, I know that's you. I know that's you. But who thinks? Tell me in the chat. Bitcoin is gonna be $80,000+ by Bitcoin halving. Really insane, bro. I know, JB. I know you. You're bullish. There's people who believe that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Me, 80. Let's go. De la crypto. Awesome, guys. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Ah, man. This bull market is unique. This bull market is unique, let me tell you that. When something is unique, things that you never thought possible can happen. And when things that you never thought possible can happen, you better have money on hand because you're gonna make some delicious capital, guys. Your investing positions, that's much different. Those you don't sell until bull market peak price. Those you don't sell until bull market peak price. There you go. The tunes are here. Guys, 72,000 subscribers, guys. Beautiful. We're moving fast, and we're gonna be reaching so many more people. Closer and closer. That's true, bro. What do you think Shiba Inu could reach by 2025? Shiba Inu 2025. Shiba Inu 2025 must, and I repeat, must be in the close to or already in the 3 zeros. Must already be close to or already in the 3 zeros. Just has to happen, guys. Just has to happen. What do you think? Comments. Where will Shiba Inu be by 2025? Like to see what my audience thinks. How do you keep track of income for taxes and frequent trading? You don't keep track. You let the exchange do it for you. At the end, either you subscribe to a tax tracking software, you add your exchange account to the software, and they all do it for you. And at the end, you pay for that service, of course, and they will itemize all the trades, and they will give you your total at the end. It's so easy, like you don't need an accountant, right? Or maybe yes, if you want to actually file your taxes, but for the form that you need, the form, that's done by the software. You think 2 zeros 4, 1 penny, 2 zeros 2, 2 zeros 3 zeros 2, 3 zeros 5, 3 zeros 1, 3 zeros 4, 2 zeros 1, 2 zeros 9. People say don't pay tax. Awesome predictions, guys. Awesome predictions. Right here, this consolidation for the last hour. Imagine paying taxes on crypto that's already getting taxed when you cash out. Oh boy. Shiba Inu will be testing the 3 zeros resistance support line. Look, I agree. The 3 zeros 1, 3 zeros 2, and 3 zeros 2 is a lot of money, by the way. 3 zeros 2 is already $100 billion plus, guys. $100 billion plus. I'm gonna get some more water. What's going on, Butons? Happy to see you. Why would you hold 10% Shiba Inu for the $1 Simpsons prediction? Would you hold? No, bro. $1 Shiba Inu prediction, bro. Are you kidding me? $1 Shiba Inu. No, bro. That is impossible. Impossible. That is impossible, bro. $1 Shiba Inu. $1 Shiba Inu is more market capitalization than I think the world combined, if I'm not mistaken. That's one little issue that people don't think about. A lot of clickbaiters say $1 Shiba Inu. Yes. I mean, I don't disagree. I would love to see $1 Shiba Inu. Who wouldn't want to see $1 Shiba Inu, right? Who wouldn't want? I mean, let's be honest here. Who wouldn't want to see $1 Shiba Inu? I want to see a $1 Shiba Inu. But just ask yourself, what is the market cap? I did the math. Guys, let's be realistic here, please. De La Crypto, appreciate that, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, $1 Shiba Inu should be 560 trillion market cap. Looking at the tokenomics, right? Over 500 trillion market cap. Over 500 trillion market cap. Where are you gonna get that money from? The United States will be like, can we get some, please? The United States will be like, we have a lot of debt to pay. Can we get a little bit of Shiba Inu, please? Honestly, I'm not kidding you. It's gonna be super crazy, bro. Hey, G. Exit. Pro pumping. Hey, that's always good. Burns, burns, burns. JB is like, never gonna happen. We all know she was going to $100. We're not getting better. Guys, it's fun, obviously. Entertainment purposes only, but we have to add the realistic, commentary too, as always. Depends who you watch. If you want to watch people telling you everything you want to hear, everything that your ears demand, you will find people like that. Oh, you will find them today, tomorrow. They're so easy. People sugarcoating your ear all the time. It's not gonna happen with Oscar Ramos, bro. You're probably gonna get mad at me. You're gonna be like, this guy is so bearish. I'm just what? A conservative, and I say what I based on what I've seen, that's it. That's all it is. It happens, Pepe has market cap like 3 billion Floki, 2 billion Flokis with 4 zeros. Ulysses, happy to see you. Now, Dogecoin is a different thing. Dogecoin, look at the market cap, look at the tokenomics. Dogecoin can be $1. Of course, it can be $1. Not a problem, Dogecoin. I'll give it to you, right? Emily in the house. We got a lot of moderators today. The only thing we need is a pump or a dump. That's it. That's all we need. Welcome to the 700 people watching us today. What's going on tonight here in the US? How we feeling? Who's buying Shiba Inu? So it is clear that investing is the winner with 70+%. Why? Because you're not worried too much about selling. You're worried just about buying. Investing is about buying and adding and buying the dip and buying and buying. That is investing, basically. Trading is when you do the opposite that a lot of people don't want or don't know when, because that's the key, right? You can buy any day. When you will sell, that's what takes skill, right? That's what takes skill. Oscar, what up with the blood? Are we gonna keep watching so much blood? It's so I'm waiting for some more blood. Obviously, it's not gonna happen because I'm live, and it's not gonna happen because I want it. But so far, we've had from the peak of today, 68, almost 69,000 Bitcoin. We've had 3%, and for Shiba Inu, we've had 4% or 6%. So there it is. I'm gonna keep waiting on that. I'm gonna keep waiting on my entry. It's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off. Do you think 1 cent will ever happen? 1 cent is way more possible, but many things will have to change, and I think we're heading in the right direction, honestly. But the first thing that we need to break is 3 zeros. It's the first thing that we have to break, guys. 3 zeros. Let's go. Shiba Inu is going next. So let's see how many share my view and how many are bulls here. New poll in the chat. At what price would you buy more Shib? About 4025, 4026, which is dumb because it's so little of a change when you think about it. But because the trading, every single one counts, that's why I'm looking. We already got to this level, 4024. You're seeing right there on the screen. You're seeing right there on the screen, right here. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see Shiba Inu really, really well. Let's talk about this for a second. Look at how many trades I could do. I could do this trade. I could do this trade. I could do this trade. I could do this to this trade. I could do this to this trade. I could do this to this trade. Now I'm trying to do from here to here, but I'm not shorting. That's the thing. I'm waiting for it. Why? Look, for you 700 DJs watching, what the experts traders do is that they don't spot trade. So there's different ways of making money in crypto. Spot trading, but there's also futures trading. If I make 20% from here to here, that is 1x. What do I mean 1x? It means that that is the standard value of a 20%, right? But if I do derivatives or futures, I can go 5x, 10x, 50x, 100x, and that is betting, and that is basically the most, or one of the riskiest ways of becoming a millionaire, just like this, extremely fast. What it means is, instead of getting 1x of my position, the standard value, right? You can get 5x that 20% by betting 5x, but it takes margin. It's more complicated, but the idea is the same. You're predicting, you're betting, right? If you're right and you cash out, you just made 20% times 5, 20% times 10, 20% times whatever it is. So you get serious money very fast. Problem is, when things don't go wrong, that's when you hear people say, ooh, many shorts got liquidated. That's what it means. When you get liquidated, it's basically that the money maker, the exchange, has to cut you because you're just not making profits anymore and you're out of the money. You have to get out. They will cut you because then it's just not profitable and you have lost, terminated that position. And the money that you betted, the money that you started with, it's gone, right? So that's basically trying to beat the market. That's what people say. I'm trying to beat the market. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that kind of trading. My trading is level 1 trading for beginners, right? That's what I'm trying to do. Where if I missed a prediction, I'm not going to get liquidated because it is spot trading. It's my money. All right? So cool to talk about this. So cool to talk about this stuff. Are you enjoying it? Smash the like button if you are. Let me know in the comments down below how you're feeling. Subscribe to the channel, guys. We're having a good time. Not financial advice, of course. Feeling good, feeling good. Why did I get disappointed when I saw you sold your ship? But you gotta do what you gotta do. Of course, Marv. Get disappointed when you are selling your ship, right? We have our own monies, right? It's always good to have your strategy. Have your strategy set and then boom, execute it. Good information. That's good, Edgar. I'm happy that you are. I'm happy that you're learning because, guys, imagine if you do a 100x with $1,000 and you hit it. That's when you hear a lot of people say, ooh, I'm a crypto millionaire overnight. Problem is, when those $1,000 with 100x, because you need to have, I forgot the word, but basically you need to have the amount of money that you're betting, you gotta have it somewhere. It's not like you can borrow money. No. I mean, that's something else, right? But whatever you're trying to bet, you need to have it. liquid or in that position. So you can lose a lot of money very, very, very fast if you are wrong, or you can make so much money very, very, very quickly by luck or because you know what you're doing. Canada, what's going on, guys? Welcome. Edso in the house with amazing super chat. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. All of that is going to the trading for sure. Looking decent. 67,456, 67,456. Bitcoin is looking decent. Shiba Inu is looking decent. Looking decent right now, but I mean, this is the first signal. Thank you, Edso. Appreciate that a lot, bro. Helium Mobile. I have a few of them. I'm not buying any more miners. I'm just holding the HNT and getting some mobile tokens. That's it. How many Shiba Inu you guys hold? Live leadership, beta reaction will be interesting to see. It's true, JB. When I finally come in and I finally start seeing those monies coming in, well, that'll be phenomenal. And the thing is that right now, as we're speaking, there's people trading, but not the 1 day, 1 week, or 1 hour. They're trading the 1 minute. They're trading the 2 minutes. They're trading the 5 minutes. If you come here with me to the 5 minute, this dip that we had, they're already trading it. So look at this. Right here, we see this red line, right? Which what we talked about is an average. This is another pane. If we break this one, if we break this one, if we break this one, it is basically considered overbought in the 5 minutes. So at $69,000 Bitcoin, it will be a sell indicator to cash out your positions immediately if you are trading. But in the 5 minutes, we already went all the way down, you see? In the 15 minutes, we didn't touch. That is why this is high right now. That is why we stopped dumping. Because if you go to the 5 minutes here, we went all the way down. But the challenge for Shiba Inu and for Bitcoin, let's go 5 minutes here. You see? We touched. The challenge is to go back here. 403. And if we cannot do that, we're going lower. We're going lower. That's why a lot of people trade the 5 minutes too. Because when I was learning about this spot trading strategy, I learned on the 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes gives you 3 to 5% tops. In the 5 minute strategy, in the 5 minute candle strategy, you don't want to go for 10%. In the 15 minute strategy, you want to go for 10%, 7% or plus. 15 minute strategy happens like once a day, about once a day. Gian made a killing of Mumu. Hey, I appreciate that a lot, brother. Thank you so much for the kind super chat, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So here in the 5 minutes, there's like 3%. That's literally what you do. 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%. So if I do the 5 minutes, which I want, let's say I do, it's $450 if I go with $15,000. It's like, but this happens so quickly, and you have to be watching the charts a lot more. And that's why I'm not doing the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes, I feel like it's too time consuming. It's too time consuming. The 15 minutes trading, that's the one I'm looking, because it gives me a more relaxing opportunity just to wait it out. But I have to be patient, right? That's it. Diamond hands. Let's go. Thank you, JB. Appreciate the info on Jasmine. $8.51, 1 hour. Let's go. Oh man, feels so good, guys. Feels really, really so good, guys. Yeah, people are trading in 5 minutes right now. 15 didn't reach, so it could be like I have to wait a little bit longer, but I'll keep you updated on everything. We have an LUNC target of 3012. Okay, very good. That consistent with the Bitcoin Shiba Inu targets. I'll have to check, bro. Any thoughts on Tectonic 1 billion being held? Tectonic, same as VVS Finance, are those tokens from Cronos that the only strategy is investing. Tectonic and VVS Finance, it's just investing, not trading. They are really so down and have so much potential that the only good and reasonable way of doing those two is just holding them and waiting for them until they become popular and Cronos gets the Titan update and upgrades and things just get much better. That's what I'm doing with Tectonic. That's what I'm doing with VVS. Just holding them, bro. Lord of War. Those are some pretty cool songs. Nice. Yeah, I just have to wait and let them pop later on. That's basically what it is. Thank you, Quinn. Appreciate that a lot. I'm going to go ahead and close the poll right here. Guys, even though we are just still looking at what to buy and waiting for the times, we got up to 700 plus viewers. That's amazing. The people know us, and we are getting more and more knowledge for everybody to enjoy. That's really what it means. Thank you, Motivational Beacon. Happy to see you here. That's the 1 hour, fam. That's the 1 hour. Because we could stay here longer, but we got to 66,800, and that was the lowest right now. Obviously, if I go to the 5, we're gonna be reaching. Seems that it's trying to pump back up again. I'm watching. I'm literally letting it play out. Should be doing decent. I just have to remain calm and consider opportunities as they come. When I wake up tomorrow, guys, we'll see if we have the opportunities that I'm looking at. FOMC meeting coming up at the end of the month, and more bullish, bearish news happening this week. We've been having incredible pumps. I wonder what this market will bring tomorrow. Right? Are you pumped for Scorpion going live soon? The casino? Yes, we talked about that casino token, and I'm happy, that all kinds of industries are coming to this space. I am. So if you, for some reason, see crypto crashing or selling off after we finish this live, you know why. Because you were here with me for an hour, and you know exactly what's going on. But for right now, in the 5-minute chart, it's just barely 3%. I will consider not even worth it. 3% on Shiba Inu, not worth it. It's much better for me to wait it out. Where is it? To wait it out to the 15 minutes, because I need a 15 to 10%. It's going to be difficult for Shiba Inu to do back to 4031. That is why I need to kind of be waiting for a much lower price. All right? Guys, thank you so much for your kind support. 300 likes. Let's go. JB, Quinn, Emily, Francisco, and all of my dear mods, members, and subscribers. Thank you guys for your kind support. As always, it is a blessing to be here with you in Sunday Night Live. Hope you enjoyed it. We've been having some more lives, and I think you guys are appreciating, especially those late at night. So I'm pretty positive we'll have more of those this coming week. But once I start my position, you will see me. I'll be very excited. I'll be like, no way, guys, I'm going all in and this and that. So I just try to make it when I know it's going to really pay off. But I'm watching, guys. I'm all in. And last but not least, because I know my community. We talked about Shiba Inu enough. Where's the car community? Last but not least, and that's it. Car all-time high. Cronos holders, where's the car community? The car community, guys. If you don't know, I get it. You can leave now. Appreciate your time. But if you know, oh, man. I'm a trillionaire. We're making money, bro. Crow with knife, Kronos fam. I'm so happy, bro. Car, bro. Can't believe it. It's just pretty insane. I just cannot describe it, but as soon as it gets listed on crypto.com, we might get more holders. We might get more volume. I'm gonna be so rich, guys. I bought here. I'm 55% up right now. Yes. 55% up in car, bro. Dude, this one, guys. Whatever happens, guys, I told you, right? And I've been saying a lot. I made many videos, so just FYI, all right? Don't say I didn't tell you about COP. And you can buy it on VVS Finance. Just get some Cronos on the Cronos network, swap it on VVS Finance, or soon, hopefully, on crypto.com, you can buy it as well. All right? So thanks so much, guys, for coming into the space. Love you all. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Let's go, everybody. Thanks so much. Did you ever post about reading charts? Any help? Yes. Please go ahead and watch from the very beginning. We did it in this live. Thanks, guys, for coming in. Thanks for all the kind donations. Let me go ahead and if I missed one. No, we got all of them. Awesome. You take care. Peace. Thanks a lot.